नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है। हम इंग्लिश डिक्टेशन की सेशन चले हुए हैं। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट सेशन हमारे ग्रामर्स, बेसिक इंग्लिश ग्रामर पर होंगे और आप उसका ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा देखिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फायदा उठाइए और उनका प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। रेडी, स्टार्ट। मच रिलायंस हैज बीन मेड on the recoveries made stop when the observation Mahajar was prepared along with the sketch and the inquest conducted. Admittedly, scores of persons were present. Stop. No independent witness was made to sign and evidence on behalf of the prosecution that they did not volunteer to do so cannot be accepted. Stop. A witness may not come forward to adduce evidence in terms when asked to act as an eyewitness. Stop. However, when a large number of persons were available near the dead body, it is incomprehensible as to how all of them refused to sign the documents prepared by the police. Stop. Similarly, the trial court rightly doubted the recovery under Section 27 of the Act. Stop. There was no need to take PW2 and thereafter make him to sign. Stop. There are a lot of contradictions in the evidence rendered. PW2 has stated that many persons were available at the time of the recovery, but no statement has been obtained from any of them. Stop. PW11, the head constable, says that the investigating officer PW14 did not ask any neighbor to join the investigation. Stop. PW8, who is the sub inspector of police, has deposed that none was forthcoming. Stop. A similar statement was also made by the investigating officer. Stop. There is a discrepancy on the mode of traveling to the place from where the recovery under Section 27 of the Act was made. Stop. Along with the recoveries witnesses, namely PW2, 8, 11, and 14. Stop. While PW2 has stated that the police team used a jeep and motorbike. Stop. The other witness has stated that it was either motorbike or by foot, while one witness says that it was a gypsy. Stop. Do not we do find contradictions with respect to the place of arrest, followed by the disclosure statement. The report of the ballistic expert is obviously a scientific evidence in the nature of an opinion. It is required to use his evidence along with the other substantive piece of evidence available. Stop. The report is inclusive with respect to the firearm belonging to the appellant being used for committing the offense. Stop. All the aforesaid aspects have been considered threadbare by the court. Stop. We do not find any perversity in it, and the law presumes double presumption in favor of the accused after a due adjudication by the trial court. So we do believe that the High Court could have been slowed in reversing the order of acquittal rendered by the court of first instance. So, on the aforesaid analysis, the order of conviction rendered by the High Court of Delhi stands set aside by resorting the acquittal by the trial court. Stop. Thank you. इसमें हम कुछ कुछ फ्रेजोग्राफी आपके सामने आई है और हम उसका जिक्र करेंगे। तो जैसा कि इसमें आया, ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द, ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ द, ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ, इन दिस बिहाफ, जैसे है इन दिस बिहाफ, इन दिस बिहाफ, इन दिस behalf। फिर आया अंडर सेक्शन, अंडर सेक्शन, अंडर सेक्शन इज सेकंड प्लेस पे अंडर सेक्शन। और फर्स्ट प्लेस पे आएगा सिग्निफिकेशन, सिग्निफिकेशन। अंडर सेक्शन की और सिग्निफिकेशन की एक ही तरह की आउटलाइन, ये फर्स्ट प्लेस पे आएगा सिग्निफिकेशन, ये सेकंड प्लेस पे है और ये फर्स्ट प्लेस पे है। तो प्लेस से उसकी आउटलाइन का मीनिंग का अंतर पता लग जाता है। दूसरा हमारा है इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर, इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर, इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर। हमारा ये इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर, इन्वेस्टिगेटिंग ऑफिसर। फिर आया इंक्वायरी ऑफिसर, इंक्वायरी ऑफिसर, इंक्वायरी ऑफिसर। इस प्रकार जिसमें फ्रेजेज हैं हम आपको साथ साथ बताते रहेंगे उनकी आउटलाइन, तो आप उसको फॉलो कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फायदा होगी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।